Welcome to our channel PC Troubleshooter. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Adobe Reader. I'm gonna teach you in an easy way and step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's quite important for us. Okay, let's go and start now. What I'm gonna use the Adobe Reader for? We're gonna use this program because we need to open some files, which is format PDF. For example, in my personal case, I tried to download this file, winetourism.pdf, but I realized that any of the programs that I have in my computer was able to recognize the extension for that one. That is the reasons why I need to download the Adobe Reader. Okay, so just close that one. Let's go close this website. Now we are going to open our internet browser. So in our case, we are going to use Google Chrome. Just double click. At the top of the address bar, we are going to type www.google.com. Okay, let's go step by step. Then we are going to type download Adobe Reader. Okay, and press enter. So as soon as we open our Google search, the second option that we have is the option Adobe Acrobat Reader DC download. Let's go and click in there. That one is gonna pop up the website of Adobe Reader. So it's quite important that you untick all these boxes, that one, and that one, okay? And then go to the right side and click download Adobe Reader. Click in there. That one is going to start downloading the installer for Adobe. That one is going to take a couple of minutes. That is no longer. And here we are. So that is the executed or the program Adobe. We are going to execute that one. Let's go and click there. As normal, that one is going to ask if you want that the program make changes in the computer. Just click yes. And the installation of Adobe Reader, it's gonna start now. We are gonna wait until that one finish. Adobe Reader is quite essential program that all users must have in their computers because we use all the time. So the Adobe Reader has been installed in our computer. Just click finish, and I'm gonna show you that one is gonna leave a shortcut on our desktop as you see here. So we are gonna be able to open all the PDF files. So let me show you on the downloads folder, the file that I have before. And as you see, the wine tourism, that one is now in a PDF format. And here we are, that is our PDF file. So that is the end of this video. I hope you liked that one. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and leave the comments below. See you on the next time.